Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a very useful feature for anyone who uses WhatsApp Web on their computer, how to disable link previews in the latest update. If you're someone who values a clean chat window or just wants to protect your privacy when sharing links, this quick guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the site and scanning the QR code from your phone if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your main chat screen, take a look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. Now, click on the gear icon located at the bottom of that left menu. This is where all your basic settings and preferences live. It's a small icon, but it gives you access to all the tools you need to control your WhatsApp experience. Next, from the settings menu, click on privacy. This section has been getting a lot of attention lately because of recent updates that give users more control over their data and activity. Inside the privacy settings, you'll see several options related to profile photos, read receipts, and more. Scroll until you find the option called Link Previews. This is the new feature added to help users manage how links appear in chats. By default, it's turned on, meaning anytime you paste a link, WhatsApp automatically creates that little box with an image and description preview. While it's convenient, it can also clutter your messages or reveal more than you'd like. To disable it, simply toggle off the link previews option. That's it. From now on, when you send a link, it will appear as a plain URL. No preview boxes, no extra information, and there you have it. In just a few clicks, you've customized your WhatsApp web experience and taken another step toward a more private and distraction-free chat environment. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of these quick tutorials to stay on top of the newest WhatsApp updates, because little tweaks like this can make your daily communication so much smoother.